From the deepest cosmic nurseries where stars are born, to the unimaginable forces governing the very fabric of space-time, our universe is a canvas of endless wonder. Tonight, we journey through breathtaking celestial tapestries, witness the titanic dance of black holes, and glimpse humanity's relentless march towards new frontiers, both real and imagined. Our first stop takes us to the Tarantula Nebula, a vibrant stellar nursery 160,000 light-years away in the Large Magellanic Cloud. A magnificent collage of data from NASA's Chandra, Hubble, and Webb telescopes reveals thousands of young stars nestled within its honeycomb-like gas and dust. Yet, amidst this stellar creation, astronomers detect a curious energy drain, a cosmic exhalation hinting at processes we're only beginning to understand. Now, turn your gaze to a realm of unimaginable gravity and ancient light. 12.5 billion light-years away, in the distant galaxy J0148-4214, the James Webb Space Telescope has unveiled a cosmic ballet of death, 3 supermassive black holes, entwined in a gravitational embrace. Their impending collision offers tantalizing evidence of how these behemoths grew so rapidly in the early universe, devouring everything in their path. 2 of these titans, one 80 million solar masses and its smaller 600,000 solar mass companion, are separated by a mere 620 light-years. The third, a 2 million solar mass giant, orbits further out. This epic merger event, if it occurs, will unleash gravitational waves of immense power, a phenomenon future observatories like the European Space Agency's LISA mission hope to detect, offering a new window into the universe's most violent events. Yet, the fate of the third black hole remains a mystery, a cosmic three-body problem. Will it join the cataclysmic merger, or will the gravitational chaos fling it away into the lonely void of intergalactic space, much like hypervelocity stars ejected from our own galaxy? The universe's grand narrative is always full of unexpected twists. Back on our home turf, humanity is preparing for its next giant leap, establishing a permanent moon base. To conquer the harsh lunar terrain, NASA launched the Rock and Roll with NASA Challenge, inviting global innovators to design the next generation of lunar rover wheels. This isn't just about wheels, it's about expanding our reach, our science, and our very presence beyond Earth. From variable stiffness wheels that adapt to terrain, to tensioned cable designs and flexible titanium structures, the challenge saw 5 wildly different prototypes put to the test. Each design offered unique solutions for durability, traction, and impact absorption, proving that crowdsourcing can unlock ingenuity far beyond traditional approaches. These robust, adaptable wheels are crucial. Every additional kilometer a rover can reliably travel expands our exploration potential on the Moon and eventually, Mars. As NASA moves closer to its Artemis missions, these innovations will pave the way for longer-duration surface operations, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in space mobility. And finally, from the factual to the fantastical, a new chapter unfolds in a galaxy far, far away. The first trailer for Ahsoka, Season 2 promises higher stakes and a grander scale, with the return of Anakin Skywalker and the sinister Grand Admiral Thrawn. While a work of fiction, these stories ignite our imaginations, reminding us of the enduring human desire for adventure and discovery, even amongst the stars. Whether observing the birth of stars, unraveling the mysteries of black holes, engineering our future on other worlds, or simply dreaming of distant galaxies, humanity's journey through the cosmos is one of continuous exploration. The universe calls to us, always revealing new wonders and challenging us to reach further.